Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make this kind of a nav bar using HTML CSS flexbox. So first what you are going to do is simply I'm going to create a project HTML CSS flex. So here I'm going to open this command from window code space dot to open it. Very simple. This is very simple. So now what I'm going to do is first, so here I'm going to open the index.html file. Simple design. Here in VS Code you have to type, hold on the control key down and press 1. Sorry, hold on shift key down down and press 1 and get these marks. Click on that. You have to hit the HTML generated automatically like this. If you are press the both keys. Okay, this is the simple automatically generate the HTML codes. Now here first you look at this. You go and look at this design. So okay, this is the one item, this second item is a third item. First you have to observe. So here first, how many items are there? First you have to get the idea. There are 3 items. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here. First I'm going to go to here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the div. You write like this: div dot container. Press tab key on your keyboard. Then it will be coming like this. After that you have write div dot items. You have to write this asterisk 3. Press enter key. So here you will be able to, here there are 3, we have divided by 3 divs. Okay, you will be able to understand that. Okay, so if you look at the design, there are 3 items. Okay, so first one should be, we have to make it as, this one should be the logo. Second one, this we have to write it as, here we have to create the logo. Okay, so we have to write a logo. So type this one as a what is the thing? You have to write next. We have typed some other name. We have tried Cobian. This is the name, Cobian. Okay, Cobian. This name here. Okay, so this is a logo. After that, second one should be our menus. So menus, we have to create this one as, you type inside here div. What are the items are there? Tour features like this. Tour. Otherwise, you can write home. Copy this and paste on it here. About. Same thing. Copy and paste it below. Service. Contact. Right. Third one should be our button. This should be our button. Okay, this one should be the button. Okay, so get start. Now we have to right click and open with live server. You will be able to see the simple design. You will be able to see. Okay, now what I am going to do is I am going to go to the head. Your type style. You have to write here body. This body. Margin 0. Padding 0. After that this items. First you have to write like this. You will be able to see it. Okay. After that, what you are going to do is, this is the our logo. So first we have type this, we have to, this is our container, first container. This container, first I am going to go to styling. So your container, open and close bracket. Here what you are going to do is first you have to implement flags, display flags. To implement flags, you can see here, if you implement the flags and see here, you can see this one. So you can see here. This one called as a flex direction row. The default it's come as flex direction row. Okay, after that you have to justify container space between. Now you can see what happened. Here it automatically takes the spaces. Okay. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I want to set the padding. Set the padding. You have to write. Simply you have to first one you have to write a top and bottom. You have to type for 20. Right and left you have to type 40 pixel. Control S to save. Here it will be 40. Here it's 20. Okay, it's 20. So we have to write again. We have to some other thing. You have to 40. So 60. What happened? Yeah, you can do the spaces. Spaces will be, we have to get in the spaces. It's nice. After that, what I'm going to do, this is the logo. This logo, I'm going to style it. Dot logo. Font size. But write 1 rand. Font weight I'm going to give as a 700. But too much slow. 2. You can see here. Now you can see you have tried 2 RAM. You can see the difference. The logo is successfully done it. Now what happens if you want to do the color? One color you have to give the color as anything color, you can able to do the put the color as well. So I'm going to put the color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to put the container also. I'm going to background color, I am going to put it as this blue. So that blue I'm going to put it here. You have to dark, make it as dark. Okay, so if the color is not coming like this, you have to, there is a extension called, you have to go here, prettiest. So the extension called prettiest, because I haven't connected the internet connected yet. That's why it's not coming like that. Now you can see coming here, you type prettiest. Okay, this is the tool we have installed it here. Here we are here, this one. You can get that. If I install this one, you can get this color window and everything. Prettier format. Okay, this is a code format. Everything it will be done by this extension prettier. Okay, this is the purpose of we have installing the prettier. Okay, so after that you can see this is a background color you have to give here this one. So I want to get the foreground color also, the glitter color also. I am setting it as a white. Now let's see, check it. Here it's now successful. Font family also, you have tried font family. Whatever you can choose from here, this list. There are many things are there. We have to check this one sans. So now let's check it. Here it's correct. Okay, sir, simple. Right. Now it's done successfully. Now logo have done it successfully. Now if you want any other you can give the things, you will be able to do. Okay, so after that we have write thing is, I'm going to go to do the thing is second is items. Item also I'm going to write item. You can put it the link item or something else. Just put the item. You have to write this display, or you have to write flags, display flags, flags direction, row. Okay, row. You have put row. Here it's coming as a row. Okay, now I'm going to set this another one is a align item center. You have right horizontally, you have to make it as center this one. That's why we have to put this one center. So after that, you have to do another one is the item. You need a gap in between the letter. You have gap. Just put a gap or 10 pixels. Let's check. Control S to save and check it. Okay, check. So if you want to, I want to check with the document. Here is so much spaces in between the letters. Okay, so let's do it 20 pixel. Now it seems to be okay. It seems to be in between here. There are too much spaces. It has been okay. Okay, it's working successfully. Okay, so in order to do the another one is we need another icons. You have to get this icons. You have to write the code. There is a site which is a icon 8.com. Go here. You can get the free icons. I want to get search icon. This icon you can select the tab icon. Type search. So here this icon is there. I need a SVG file. Okay, so click on that. You have to copy this. Just a copy. This is coming as a black color. I want to change the color here as a white color. Instead of that, I am going to change this white color. Done it. Just copy this code. See SVG. We just copy that code, particular code, and back to our project. Here I have to just make the copy and paste over here. Okay, paste. So you have to tab key and align. Whatever is tab key and align. Now let's check it back. Whatever it's coming. Here it's coming successfully. Now I want to do the thing is this one. We have to this search. I know the text. I don't need the text. This one. This one you have to get rid of this. This the width and height. We have to specify the width and height. We have to give it have a 50 width and height also we have 50. Check it back. This is also too much. Things you have to get the height 30. Now it seems to be okay. It's okay. Okay, now if you want to reduce the height a little bit 25. Width also you have to write 40. Control S to save. Here now it's okay. Okay, now it's a thing is okay. Right, so you'll be able to see the search. Okay, now it's okay. This is how we have to make the icons. Simple. I have put it one icon. Here you can you will be able to put whatever icon you need. Okay, so you'll be able to put whatever icon you need. Okay, these are simple icons. Okay, so you have to get the icons. Right, so this is how we have to put the icon. Simple way you have to put the icon. Okay, you have to write that font weight. Okay, get the icons. Simple, you have to write icon look like this way. So you have to write another style. You have to write the style property. Now we don't have a style property over here. So you have to write style. Let me do it. Let's bold. So bold. No, it's not template. So it's working. Okay, it's working successfully. So the stroke width length you have right here. We have to stroke width you have to give 2 whatever. Stroke width you have to give 5. Okay, right. It's no problem. It's working. So there are sub property. Okay, so that's how we have to do the program. It's simple. It's a stroke. They are telling that thing is not 3 pixel something. Right. So this how we have make the simple way to do the design. Okay, this how we have simple here to do the designs. Okay, so this one are the buttons. We have to go to the button also we have style this is a button. You have write btn. Coming over here you have type btn, open and close bracket, out style the button also you have to out style the button. So you have write background color blue, but we have to get the blue or get this kind of blue sign. After that we have to write the color black, black, border radius you have to write 3 pixels, you have to write padding 10 to top and bottom you have to set as 10, left and right 20. Let's do it here. Here it's successfully coming. Here successfully coming. I want to do the thing is here. The border radius level. Let's do the 5 pixel and 5 pixel, and we have to do the another one is here it's aligned successfully border radius. So the font color you have to write white. Let's go. Okay, so it's working. Okay, it's working. So you can see the button, everything's there. So here we need a cursor button. So there is a called as cursor, the right pointer. Now you can see the clickable event of the button. Okay, it's very simple. This is how we have to make the nav bar very simple way. Okay, you have to do the without any hesitation. You have to do the nav bar simple way look like this. Okay, this is how you have to make the simple way to implement the nav bars. Okay, it's working successfully. If you have any question and regarding this, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe.